Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Maybe some part in the world might be at night at this time. They might be go ready. They might go ready to sleep, or they are in the middle of sleeping. So who knows? We are apologize for not making a video for plural English, my people. We are so sorry for that. It's been so long. It's been so long, like more than 100 days that plural English didn't make a single video. We are so sorry for that. Inshallah, in this week we will make one as possible. And I received some comment of you that who missed so much plural English video, so we sorry for that.